So today I wanted to take you behind the scenes in my studio, and this is for the making of a 4-part course that I deployed for an association, and it was all about event planning, event management, integrated with AI tools, because who does event planning and management without from AI? I mean, if you do, probably you're missing out. So this basically is my setup, my camera, my wonderful podcast microphone, the Shure SM7B, and obviously which requires a cloud lifter, because if you know anything about microphones, this one needs a little bit of boosting help. And then my Rodecaster, which is also the mixer that I use for my podcast, and my Sony Alpha camera. And then what I do, I usually share screen on this monitor, and then if I have slides or if I have speaker notes or any type of tools that I want to show, it usually comes from this. And then obviously Zoom would be on this monitor as well, with breakouts and chat, annotation, all the fun things that Zoom provides. So with that, this is where the magic